Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I am going to teach you guys how to download and install unpacked extensions in Chrome. So first of all, in order to do that, you need to visit the Chrome extension page. You can visit the Chrome extensions page by typing this in your URL, that is chrome://extensions. It will take you to the page where you have all your extensions. All you can do it in another way too, that is open your browser, click on this three dot at the right corner, and here you would find an option known as extensions. Just click on manage extensions. You would be visiting this page. In here, in order to download and install unpacked extensions, you need to turn on the developer mode. If you turn on the developer mode, you would get three options: load unpacked, pack extension, and update. Load unpacked is what you would be using in order to load and install the unpacked extensions. If you just click on this, it will take you to your desktop page, and in here just click on the folder where you have the extension and just click on select folder, and automatically your extension would be loaded. If you want to pack your own extension, then just click on this. If you want to update any specific extension, then you would use this button. I hope today's video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you want a more in-depth video showing us how to install all the Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store, then please leave it in the comment section. I'd be glad to help you. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.